Using Pinterest gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to explore and purchase items from various retailers featured on the platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Check the card balance. Before using your gift card, check the balance to ensure you have enough funds. You can usually find this information on the back of the card or by visiting the retailer's website. Step 2. Log into your Pinterest account. Access your Pinterest account by logging in on the website or through the mobile app. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one to use the gift card. Step 3. Browse for items. Explore Pinterest to find items you want to purchase. You can search for specific products or browse through different categories to discover new ideas and inspirations. Step 4. Click on the product link. Once you find an item you wish to buy, click on the product link. This will redirect you to the retailer's website where the item is available for purchase. Step 5. Redeem your gift card at checkout. At the retailer's checkout page, look for the option to enter your gift card information. Input the card details as prompted and apply it to your order. Ensure the total reflects the discount from your gift card before completing the purchase. Now you're ready to enjoy your shopping experience using Pinterest gift cards. Happy pinning and shopping!